In the last video you saw me ride to and then walk round the Eagle's Nest, or Keelstone House as it's also known. After the tour we came down, we got back on the bus, we went back to the bottom and got back on the bikes. Our story here picks up from getting back on the bikes in the car park at Eagle's Nest. So we're going right here now. Well, Eagle's Nest, another one ticked off the list. Now let's see what these roads have to offer. Tell you what, the temperature's cooler in these mountains, isn't it?
Yeah, 19 degrees.
19? Mine says 15. Steep this. Yeah, steep, very steep. Steep and twisty. I'll try and oh, look at this beauty. Now you're getting some. Oh, I thought you were going to pull out on us. No, but it'll be up our arse now. The cable car lift. Yeah, ski lifts are in winter. It is a ski resort in winter. I'm still a bit mystified by this toll thing, me. You know, I said we're on a toll road, and you know, you think getting ready to pay for it. I've not seen it yet, so what's going on? Sky top. Yeah, you can just imagine this place in winter. It's bloody awful. The day before, Jonathan took the label off one of his beer bottles and stuck it on my front mudguard. I'm about to get a bit of a surprise when it flies off. Oh, that label. Yeah, it has. That beer label you stuck on my bumper, on my mudguard. Yeah. Second gear all the way down here, and a bit of brake as well. It looks a bit greasy at this bit. Eagle's Nest. Yeah, I still say they've ruined it. Right, too many people going up it, and it's just a giant cafe. They should have kept it as a museum, as like a proper, you know, how they think or how it was laid out. It'd be miles better. Follow this fella. It looks like he knows where he's going. Unlike some people. Yeah, so that was just a nice little windy road up to Eagle's Nest, back down again, and I think now we're probably heading over to the proper toll road. You'll know when you're on it because I think you have to pay to go on it, so pay to get on it. Once we get off it, we'll look for a campsite. That's the plan. This is cool. So far so good. They love that colour in Austria, don't they? The yellowy orange colour. It's on everything. Must be Austrian yellow.
Here comes the happy cyclist.
Must be a biker. Either that, he just sees us with bags on and knows we're touring and he's doing the same. Bloody hell, look at that big pile of this stuff there. What's that? It's weird, isn't it? So bloody, whatever it is, they've got a lot of it. I think it's sawdust. Jeez. Sawdust, the biggest pile of sawdust in the world. Okay, now. Speeding, we're at speed limit. Yeah. I don't know, they might be making paper, yeah, something like that. Whatever it is they're doing, it's not for hamsters' cages. So we're trying to make our way to the castle, which where Eagles Dare was part of. The sat-navs are not helping. Keeps sending us all over, and I don't have much faith in them at the moment because it's being a pain. Look at that, the mountains in the background there. What a cracking view. It's cleared up a little bit now, it's not so bad. It were poor earlier. It were early on, I suppose. I'm just needed it to be a little bit warmer to lift all that mist off. There's a garage here, do you want to fill up or are you alright? Right, we'll do that. We're passing it, we might as well, it's on the route, innit? It's a bit different. Oh, I can go on outside here. There's two here. Oh, no there isn't. One. This is alright.
Here you get a quick glimpse at the muddy tent that I packed up this morning.
It's time for my little baby to have a drink. There you go, pal, have a drink. Bloody hell, it's one of them you got to pull pipe. A bit stiff. Yeah, I've got half a tank, but obviously going over them hills over there, don't be running out, so might as well fill up. We're passing the petrol station, made sense, didn't it? Oh yes. Yep, that's pretty full. Well, say I got half a tank, I managed to get 1770 in. What pump number am I? I always forget to look before I go in. Number 1. Oh yeah, pump number 1 please. Pump number 1 please.
Number 1. 77.
Yeah. Oops, sorry. Thank you. What are you buying? Motorbike van. Motorbike tyres at back. Speaking of tyres, I probably need new ones when I get back off this trip. Don't look too bad at the moment. I was concerned earlier in Salzburg when I was wheel spinning all over the place. It was slippy. I don't know if that would tyre at road, but give me a fright. And give it a bit of throttle to get in front of a car and end up squirming all over the road like we're doing a burnout. Yeah, not good. Not good on the old ticker, that makes it go a bit faster than I prefer it. Guy, you're asking for help.
Jonathan being the good Samaritan.
Oh, right.
Big job breaking out. Looks like a racing thing. Don't know what.
I did go over to help, but ended up being like a spur prick at a wedding.
I think he's struggling because he can't shut the door.
Thank you.
Good try, okay?
Better luck racing next time.
Thank you. This week is European Championship in Croatia.
Yeah?
I go to now, yeah?
Nice.
Thank you.
See you later, mate. Got filled up now, should be. Yeah, you ready? Well, let's go then. Right, after this one.
Maserati. I bet he's right pleased you confused it with a BM. We're in Cutchell. That's how you pronounce it in England, anyhow. Yeah, Cutchell. We're going around Germany and Austria, just repronouncing all the words and all the signs. Hotel pension, I keep seeing that, it must be a chain. Yeah. Pension must mean something in German other than what we think it is. Yeah. I haven't mentioned the weather yet because I'm scared I might turn it if I do. I'm glad I put that Under Armour layer on though, because it is alright, but it's 21 degrees. It's not cold, but it is when you high speed with mesh jacket, it blows through and yeah, gives you hard nipples. I'll have to go through all my clothes one by one, and as I'm driving along I'll just dry them out, let the air flow through and dry my t-shirt while I'm wearing it, then change it for another wet one. By the time we get back to England I'll be all dry again. Yeah, I don't know, bloody weather. I had never expected this much rain. I thought in the 2 weeks we might get, you know, you're going to get a day or two. I thought you'll get a couple of days of rain, you're bound to. But I mean, even then I didn't expect it to be a full day of rain. I expected it to be like, you know, when you're on holiday somewhere and it rains, it's like 10 minutes and then it's steaming hot again and it just evaporates all the water. I thought that's what it's going to be like. I don't think we're raining that hard. I thought we're back in Rochdale.
Our European shenanigans continues in the next video. Our next beer delivery.
To our next campsite.
Faster than a speeding train.
Yes, look. Whoa, come on. Look at that view.
Amazing views.
Oh my god. Can't even see the top of it.
Famous castles.
Eaglesdale Castle. I'm not joking. Everything got covered in mud. I looked like I'd been to Glastonbury.
Dirty talk.
Road's clear, road's clear.
Waving to bikers.